Welcome to the June 20th, 2022 Advance Report for McGowan Group clients and NetWorthRadio.com listeners. I'm Spencer McGowan, your financial weatherman, President, McGowan Group Asset Management, a team of 10 based right here at the Crescent in Dallas. Be sure to set your time for a Zoom meeting or to come down and meet the team that cares in person. We love serving affluent families here in North Texas. All right, Bitcoin is the first headline this week, and we've seen bubbles popping. I'm going to give you a rundown on what we are doing about it and what's likely to happen in the weeks ahead. Ahead of the Fed meeting, big sell-offs, relentless sell-offs to start the week ahead of the Fed. Now, Bitcoin down back to where it was December of 20. This is one way to measure a bear market cycle. So all these crypto gains were wiped out, and you're not too far above the high point back in 2017. What does that mean? The death of cryptocurrency, we could just call it kryptonite at this point, because there are 19,852 cryptocurrencies, and most of those are likely to disappear in the crypto winter. Why? Because nobody can keep track of that many names. There's only 5,000 stocks essentially in the United States. Dow Jones Industrial Average gave back all of the gains in this week's selling back to February of 2021. And we're about to cover the Nasdaq. But this bear market cycle that we can see right here happened only 2 years after we went through the COVID bear market cycle. And we are finding bargains as a result and getting pay raises, along with reinstituting reinvestment of high cash flow items to compound advantage during sell-offs like the one that's here. When the Federal Reserve defines their path forward on tightening, then you get something like the 2018 recovery you see right here. They didn't stop raising rates. They just said, well, here's what we're going to do in the foreseeable future, and then we're going to wait and see. And you can see a very quick recovery right here, and then on to new highs. The Nasdaq down 30% for the year, and it's all the way back at the November 2020 level. What's happened there? Well, the tech implosion was also relentless this week. 52-week lows, Microsoft, Texas Instruments, and the others. By the way, as long as we mention Texas, congratulations, Irving, Texas. Caterpillar moving their global headquarters out of Illinois, coming to Irving, Texas. We wish them well and look forward to updates on Caterpillar's new operations here in North Texas. This is the 10-year Treasury yield. How high is it? Well, it's actually the highest since the 2018 tightening cycle. Is that enough? Well, it probably is enough to dampen the inflation. We've already seen corn and wheat down by double digits from their peaks. That's important. Beef prices actually down 8% for their peaks. So some of this is getting solved, and disinflation is what you want to watch for, those of you that are looking for a recovery in asset values. West Texas Intermediate crude, $122 this week. I wanted to show you how that compares over the past 5 years, especially to this minus $40 a barrel. What's happened to the energy index? This is the S&P Energy Index, and it is up a whopping 60% so far this year, concurrent with record earnings. Here in North Texas, Range Resources has a gain of nearly 70%, Matador Petroleum nearly 70%. Congratulations to those two companies. I'm Spencer McGowan, President, McGowan Group, your host of NetWorthRadio.com, which you can find there on the website. And be sure to subscribe here at YouTube. You'll get updates with fast-breaking financial news. Thank you for tuning in to Net Worth Media today. And our efforts over the past 2 decades to educate clients and help clients make great decisions, that's the reason that we're here at YouTube McGowan Group. Apple Podcasts, Net Worth Radio, and networthradio.com. The Net Worth Media effort is designed to help you make great decisions and address value at risk of loss, fluctuation in the markets. Remember, if we talk about a security, doesn't make it a recommendation until you come down and get a plan from McGowan Group Asset Management, the team that cares. You can set a Zoom meeting or an in-office meeting at the Crescent, and we'll give you a written plan that encompasses what we believe to be the best allocations. This is a team of 10 devoted to you. That includes the research that you see each week from Reuters, from Bloomberg, and from the best sources. We always post links at networthradio.com for what we believe can help you make great decisions, the research that comes up. Now, the Net Worth Media effort is also designed to address cycles in the market, value at risk of loss. At networthradio.com, you can get the ADV form that shows, yes, we're a fiduciary, a registered investment advisor. It covers the costs of hiring our team to help you in the future ahead. It really helps to have an expert team on your side that you can reach by phone, email, and of course, a team that's here for you every week to address what's going on in the markets, because anxiety can often lead investors to make decisions that are either dangerous, chasing things, or selling things when they shouldn't. And that's a big part of our planning effort at McGowan Group Asset Management. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to serving you and your family in the years ahead.